Well, this kind of tells the story of the morning. I want to show you a time lapse from Monmouth, Western Oregon University. Check out that icicle on the lens, and just after daybreak, it goes away right around 8:30 or 9 o'clock when temperatures rise above freezing there. So now just very wet at Western Oregon University. 33 degrees in Vancouver with wet roadways there, and the rain continues to fly. You can see we have scattered showers at Stoller Family Estate and also out along the coast. Really gray, but well above freezing along our coastline. Temperatures rising around the metro. 33 in Tigard, Lake Oswego, Tualatin, 34 in Sherwood, Hillsborough, Forest Grove, also above freezing now. So this is a good sign. Roads turning just wet, but still pretty icy in the West Hills and east of I-205. Once you get out toward Fairfield and Troutdale, Camas 33 degrees now, but still well below freezing in Washougal, 31 in Troutdale with the strong east wind still with us at the west end of the gorge. Above freezing in Salem and Corvallis. A happy weekend to you, or almost weekend. We're warming up in Bend. By later on this afternoon, southerly winds going to take over, and you'll be in the mid-30s there in Bend. So here's a look at radar again. It's really wet up and down I-5. You can see the yellows there. That indicates heavy rainfall. The pink pockets of freezing rain still around, but again, things are improving. Not through the gorge, though. West of Cascade Locks, we have quite a bit of ice coating all surfaces. East of Cascade Locks, snow. So a winter storm warning until tomorrow morning in the gorge, and east of the Cascades, winter storm warnings and watches. Here's a look at the area of low pressure that's bringing the moisture our direction. It's moving to the north and the east, and as it does so, once this moves a little further to the north, we're going to notice the southerly wind taking over, and that will help boost our temperatures. 50 the high today in Lincoln City and Newport. The rain will be heavy at times. Expect mild temperatures, though, at our ocean beaches. You may run into slick spots as you're headed over the Coast Range, so be careful if you have that in the plans. Here's a look at high temperatures up and down I-5. A lot of these high temperatures will actually be achieved as we head into the evening hours. Overnight, we'll feel that southerly wind take over, and temperatures warm into the 40s up and down I-5. East side of the Cascades, snow showers along the I-84 corridor, but as you head further south of Madras, a wintry mix transitioning over to just rain showers this afternoon as temperatures warm above freezing. Through the gorge, ice west of Cascade Locks up to a half an inch of accumulation there. East of Cascade Locks, 4 to 8 inches of snow. Less in the Dalles. I think we could see 1 to 3, 4 inches there in the Dalles. Up over Mount Hood, that snow level rising to 4,000 feet. So maybe some freezing rain in the mix there, even at the past levels. But at the ski resorts, a lot of fresh snow on the way. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast with waves of moisture moving in throughout the overnight hours tonight. Here's tomorrow. Now, we might develop a bit of a rain shadow here in the Willamette Valley, preventing us from being wet all day long, but scattered showers certainly from time to time. Some of those heavy tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, so much more mild tomorrow. East of the Cascades, kind of a wintry mix, but we'll probably see some sun breaks in the mix also on Saturday. Now, we're watching Sunday very carefully. Here's the setup. This is 5:30 in the morning. We have snow over the Coast Range, snow in the Cascades and through the gorge. At the same time as this moisture is moving in, we have cold air moving in from the north. And so look at this. This particular model paints us with snow from Eugene all the way through Kelso starting at noontime. This is the earliest model I've seen. Some models say the potential for snow does not arrive until later, say 7 o'clock in the evening. Regardless, something we'll be watching very closely, that potential for snow Sunday afternoon or overnight into Monday. Monday, it looks like that moisture will start to taper off. Here's a look now at your 7-day forecast. Today, high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, wet and breezy tomorrow. We'll have to watch Sunday for the potential for snow. Scattered rain showers next week with potentially some snow in the hills around town.